Afternoon, everybody. It's 1 second. Just gone 3:30, 6th of November. Happy birthday, Grandad. Miss ya, love ya. Going on our way to high rise in Cumbria. You can pronounce it however they want. Beautiful sunset coming. I think. See that? I'll get out of the way. So I'll get out, we're going to do this one. It's about 760 metres, something like that. And then I was going to try and squeeze another one in before sunset, but I don't think I've got time today. I'll come back to Tracy, yeah. I've been walking for about 6 months. There's two things I've realised. Walking isn't free. In fact, it's damn expensive. And I'm unfit. So I get this one in, and I'll get down to, I think it's Easedale. I was going to do Coaldale, but I think I'm going to ease something time. I'll set up my bed for the night. I'll update you when I get there. Bye. Okay, afternoon now. It's just nearly 4 o'clock. It's beautiful, look at that. I'm getting better. Something behind me there. I think I've got half an hour daylight left. This is Sergeant Man, which is that's in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to keep moving really. 740 metres. It's quite rocky up here actually, I must be careful. Oh, bit of a slip. So I need to get down now. Right. Just through that gap really, and into that valley. And that's where I'm gonna call it a day. I think I was gonna get one more in, but it's a bit too far for now, so I'll get it tomorrow. Okay, check in a bit. Bye. So we're about that water there. That's where I'm sleeping tonight. So I'm about 20 minutes away. I don't know if you can pick any of this up. Look at that. Yeah, stunning. It's quite a wonderful experience, to be honest. I've ditched the path a little bit. I'm going to walk as the crow flies. It's obviously had a couple of little challenges, but it's not been too bad. Hopefully, if walking, hiking, camping etiquette rules apply, we'll be setting up my tent at last flat. Hi everybody, just managed to pick up your message, Neil, before my signal disappeared. I'm out in middle of Lake District somewhere, I can't tell you, it's a secret, I don't want to get myself in bother. But, put it this way, I'm more socially distanced than most, let's put it that way. Shame we can't all be together, I'm pretty sure we'll be soon, and I'm damn sure we'll make the most of it. Keep smiling, love yous, raising the glass. Bye. Morning. It's 2 AM. I wasn't planning on waking up this early, but unless the sun has changed path, I'm expecting to see a whopping bright moon out there. The clear night last night, so I won't be surprised. Yeah, I'm awake now anyway, so I'll get up, have a brew and some breakfast, I think. See if I can get wrapped up and on top of one of these hills, get a nice sunrise in, see if I can get some pictures. New day, new dawn. Let's go for it. Morning everybody, time check. It's 6:15. I'm nearly at Great Knot. I've just done Helm Crag, which is the Lion and the Lamb if you want to Google it. I'm going to watch the sunrise up there. It was a bit early. I've not quite made it over to Great Knot actually. But, so yeah, don't light off a minute, I'll show you this. Look at this. Does it get any better than that? Absolutely stunning, isn't it? I think it's better other way. There you go, look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I'll take some pictures, keep an eye on that. I'll put a kettle on, I think. I'll keep you up to date, alright. See you in a bit. Bye bye. So, ideally, I'd like to stay there and watch the sun come up a bit more. But I'm a bit cold sat still. I'm a bit sweaty from walking, so static chill like. I need some water as well. I need to try and find myself a little stream. I'll keep trekking for one more Wayne rep I get this morning. And then back down. So hopefully I'll get to see a bit more of that sun when I get turned around and walking back towards it. But, you can still see it. Look at that. COVID can't stop that, can it? Every morning you sit in your homes all you want. You'll not see a sunrise sat on your sofa, that's for sure. I'll jet back in a bit. Have a good day, you lot. And that's it, everybody. 8:10. About another 100 yards I get to my van. Still a beautiful day behind me. Sun's not quite come up over the hills yet, but it can come up whenever it wants. I'm going home. It's been brilliant, to be honest. Hopefully anybody fancies it, I'll come and do some work in Cumbria in a couple of weeks. Wink wink, nod nod, you know what I mean? Let's see if we can get another overnighter in somewhere. Stay safe everybody. Have fun, enjoy yourself. Long life, as my dad says. See you later. I got it to a talent show. I did tell Uncle Neil I could juggle. It's been a while, but we'll have a go. That's all you're getting.